Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by claiming a safe play area and gathering gear. Clear roughly a 6x6 FT zone so you can move without tripping. That reduces tracking errors and accidental collisions. Once done, charge the headset and controllers to full and install any firmware updates. This ensures stability and latest tracking improvements. Make sure cable routing and facial interface are accessible so you can adjust fit quickly. Proper fit improves comfort and sensor calibration, which reduces drift and latency later. Next, you configure tracking and define your play boundaries. Position base stations or sensors high, about 2 to 3 meters, angled down around 20 to 30 degrees for consistent coverage. That minimizes occlusion when you move. Then run the VR room setup procedure and trace a guardian or boundary carefully so virtual walls match real edges. After that, move controllers through their full range to verify continuous tracking. If you see dropouts, rotate or raise sensors slightly and rerun calibration to restore accuracy. Finish by optimizing fit and audio so sessions feel natural. Set the head strap and adjust IPD until visuals are sharp. Correct IPD removes eye strain and improves depth perception. Confirm audio volume and microphone input so you can hear and speak clearly. If problems appear, like stuttering, blackouts, or misaligned tracking, first reboot the headset, reseat all cables, and rerun tracking calibration. This clears common errors. If issues continue, swap USB/HDMI ports or briefly disable background.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.